So now let's see how we can utilize the fill frame option inside of guided edit mode. So to do that, I'm going to go around under guided, and over here you can see that fill frame is an option right here. So if I were to go around and click right here, it says fill the blank bars at the edges to match your video frame. So I'm just going to go around and click on next right here. Once I do that, it is asking me to add media over here, and then you can see that it says select a media source to import. So I'm just going to select it out right here, and let me just go around and select out this footage and click on open right here. Once I do that, it is asking me to add in this to video 1 right here. So I'm just going to do that, and it says drag and drop the same media onto video 2 in the timeline track as well, and make sure that it is aligned right here. So let me just go around and do that as well. So it should be aligned, as you can see right here. So select your media on track 1 and click on next, as you can see, and go to applied effects, as you can see right here. So it says move the scale slider to increase the value until the black bars right here are completely filled. So let me just go around over here, and then it says move the scale slider right here. So black bars are completely filled, as you can see right here. So recommend the scale value is more right here. Click on next right here, and then it is asking me to go to effects right here and apply a Gaussian blur right here. So I'm just going to go around and apply it out right here. And now let me just go around and pull this out right here just like this and increase out the blurriness level. So once I do that, it says use the blurriness slider. Click on next right here, and then this is what you have. You can see that there's the blurry background right here. Let me just go around and then resize this out as well, and you get this effect over here, as you can see, where there is no black bars, as you can see, just like this. So this is how you can go around and use the full frame option inside of guided edit mode inside of Adobe Premiere Elements. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.